So that's coconut. Yan. This is how they what do you call that, asawa? To take the coconut to make the copra. This is the method. Yeah. It's look easy but not easy if you don't know to do it. So don't try if you don't know to do it.
Mara na.
Kaya naman nagakupra ka man yan?
Dati, dili ako nagkakupra. Sugad lang hindi ako nagkupra.
And this is their if they put the dryer, their dryer, so they
So the heat is underneath, the fire is underneath the buck?
yeah,
Yeah. And then you put the coconut up top and you dry it out with the heat?
yeah.